Hey, what's up? This is James with RPM Improvement Outdoor Services, RandallPMI.com. Chadley, what's happening? Hey, we're at a job this morning where we are doing a little downspout, sump pump, water flow direction. We're just getting things lined up before we get started. Kind of show you the process of doing this. Go over here. We got a little landscape job that's going to go in right here. Johnny's burning off the weeds. And whenever we do landscape, we like to try and add in the downspout, burying downspouts. It leaves a better appearance, and it just looks a lot better if you're doing a new landscape install to do something like that. So stay tuned. We'll be right back at you. If this is the first time you're stopping by the channel, hit that subscribe button, hit the bell so you get notifications of all our upcoming videos. We're gonna get rocking on this one. Okay, Chad and Johnny got everything dry fitted over here.
Alright. I'll go and slice this off here. Yeah, I'd say cut off there and at the elbow. Yeah, we'll get the elbow done.
So now the digging begins. The nice thing is over here, there is nothing to worry about as far as lines go. On this corner over here, we ran into the communication line, but that is why it's imperative to get everything located before you do a digging job. So you can see, hopefully you can see where the line is. We just dug around it real easy. We forgot our tarp, so we're using refuse bags to put the sod on. Poor planning. Take some out here.
Lots of roots. Seems to be a stump on the other side of the improper use of tools.
Holy. Julie doesn't mark roots.
They ought to.
Okay, we got this side dry fit together. All the way down here. A little gravel for drainage. There's weep holes at the bottom of this. So basically, some of this will be PVC glued together, but a lot of it's going to be put with corrugated tile tape. So where the corrugated tile comes in contact with the elbows, we're just going to use tape on it. which is fine, I guess, because it's no pressure or anything like that, but freeze and thaw and stuff shifts and moves. We just always have glued it together. It takes a couple extra seconds to do it.
Right, yeah, it's not difficult by any means.
I just want to make sure we get it set in the right spot.
Yeah.
This other way. Son of a biscuit. I voted. Like this. It should be. There we go. Now we can fill all this back in and reattach all this. So what we got is a sump line coming out of the house, which is 1.5 inches. Tie that into 2 inch. Hit up the 2 to 4 inch Fernco attached to the 4-inch Schedule 40. Bring that down to the Y. That's where the downspout comes out, attaches in. Hook that up to corrugated, all the way to the pop-up, and that's all she wrote. Alright, so we got her finished up. Got this front bed all prepped for a future landscape project. Downspouts in. That side as dry as it's been. We'll put back over the corrugated. She's gonna really have to water that. Probably end up being reseeded later on in the fall. This one's down here. We took that excess rock, this is just a dog area, and just put it back here. This was all weeds in the beginning, so it's about the size of it. But now she definitely has a clean slate up front to get the wheels turning to get us back here. So